If you need health insurance in 2026 and you don't get it through a job, the ACA Marketplace at Healthcare.gov is your best bet. You may qualify for subsidies that cut your premium dramatically, but you have to apply correctly and on time. Here's exactly how to do it. First, let's talk timing. Open enrollment runs from November 1st through January 15th for 2026 coverage. If you enroll by December 15th, your coverage starts January 1st. If you enroll between January 1st and January 15th, coverage starts February 1st. Outside of open enrollment, you can only sign up if you have a qualifying life event, that's called a Special Enrollment Period. SEP triggers include losing employer-sponsored coverage, getting married or divorced, having a baby or adopting, moving to a new coverage area, or a significant change in household income. You typically have 60 days from the qualifying event to enroll. Before you go to Healthcare.gov, pull these documents together so the application goes smoothly. You'll need your social security number and date of birth for everyone in your household. You'll need proof of income. This means your most recent tax return, W-2s, or pay stubs. If you're self-employed, a profit and loss estimate works. You'll also need any current health insurance information if you're switching. If anyone in your household is not a U.S. citizen, have immigration documents handy. Having all of this before you start saves a lot of frustration. Here's the step-by-step process at Healthcare.gov. Go to the site and click Get Coverage. You'll create an account with your email and a password, save that login somewhere safe. Then you'll start your application by entering your zip code, household size, and income estimate. The system will calculate whether you qualify for subsidies, Medicaid, or CHIP. Next, you'll see a list of available plans filtered by metal tier. You'll compare them, pick one, and confirm your enrollment. You'll get a confirmation number, save it. Then you need to pay your first premium to activate coverage. Enrollment alone doesn't activate your plan. The most valuable part of the marketplace is the Advance Premium Tax Credit, or APTC. Based on your household income and size, the government pays a portion of your premium directly to the insurer every month, which means you only pay the difference. To give you an idea of how much this can help, a single person earning $35,000 per year might pay only $80 to $120 per month for a silver plan after the APTC. The same plan without the subsidy might run $450 or more. A family of 4 earning $60,000 could see monthly premiums drop from over $1,200 to under $300. These numbers vary by state and plan, but the savings are real. When you're choosing a plan, you'll see metal tiers, bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze has the lowest monthly premium but the highest out-of-pocket costs when you use care. Gold has a higher monthly premium but much lower costs when you go to the doctor. Silver is the middle ground, and importantly, silver plans are the only ones that qualify for cost-sharing reductions if your income is between 100% and 250% of the federal poverty level. Cost-sharing reductions lower your deductibles and copays on top of the premium subsidy. If you qualify for CSR, silver is almost always the best value. Here's one of the most important warnings in this whole process. The APTC is calculated based on the income estimate you give when you apply. At the end of the year, when you file your taxes, the IRS reconciles what you received versus what you were actually entitled to based on your real income. If you earned more than you estimated, you'll owe money back, sometimes thousands of dollars. If you earned less, you'll get a refund. So update your marketplace account anytime your income changes significantly during the year. Don't wait until tax time. Finally, if you enter your income and the system says you may qualify for Medicaid, don't ignore it. In states that have expanded Medicaid, and most have, anyone with household income under 138% of the federal poverty level qualifies. For a single person in 2026, that's roughly $21,000 or less. Medicaid is free or nearly free, covers most medical services, and enrollment is available year-round. Healthcare.gov will automatically refer you if you qualify, just follow through on the Medicaid application with your state. To recap, Know your open enrollment window, gather your documents before you start, use the APTC to lower your monthly premium, pick Silver if you qualify for cost-sharing reductions, update your income estimate if things change, and don't overlook Medicaid if your income is on the lower end. Healthcare coverage is one of the most important financial decisions you make. Take the time to apply correctly.